Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. Hernandez, and I'm going to be going over this IXL, which is L.1 Classifying Congruence Transformations. So, pretty much what we're going to do is determine um, whether we are given a shape and then whether it's a reflection, translation, or rotation. So, I'm going to show it using this tracing paper because it works pretty well on the computer screen. So what I'm going to do first is trace over the original image or the pre-image, and the first thing I want to know is, since it's asking for a reflection, I don't want it to be a translation, which is a slide. So translation is pretty much when the orientation is the same. So if I slide it down, is this point on going up and left? Well, here it's not. Here it's not either. Here it is. So this is a translation. So it couldn't be this one. It couldn't be a reflection. So which one of these is a reflection? Well, this one, it looks like to match this one, you'd have to rotate it. So that's not a reflection. But this one here, B, it looks like I can reflect it, and that's basically flipping the paper. If you flip the paper over and it matches perfectly, then that's going to be a reflection. All right, so that's B. All right, so again, I'm going to use the tracing paper. You can use a regular notebook paper. I'm sure the screen on the computer is bright enough to be able to see through a notebook paper. And so it's asking for a rotation. So this one here, A, you'd have to rotate it for it to match. So it is definitely A. But if we go back to the original image and go over here, this is a translation because the orientation is the same. This one here would be for B. That would be a reflection. We'd have to flip the paper, and then it'll reflect it. So we got a translation, reflection, but then A is the rotation because it's asking for that. Okay, last one. So this is really, if you're good at visualizing, then you probably don't need to do this as much. Um, but for me, sometimes I might need to see it. There it is. There's a translation here, but we're looking for the rotation. So which one of these? This one, it looks like I actually have to. If I rotate it, it doesn't match this one either. This one's probably a reflection, but this one, A. If I take the original image and rotate it, you could see that it matches it perfectly. So it's going to be A. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward to multiple transformations. Let's see. So I'm going to start at 1. So I'm going to trace it at 1. And what do I do to get to number 2? So I'd probably have to. I mean, I couldn't translate it because it doesn't look like it's going to go there up. But if I reflect it, notice it's now going to match. So from 1 to 2, it's a reflection. So it's got to be either this one or this one. So it's got to be a reflection first. And then to go from 2 to 3, it looks like I could just translate it since the orientation is the same. This longer point is pointing down, same as here. I'm not turning it at all, right? So it's just the slide. So that's going to be a translation. All right. Well, I hope this helps, and yeah, have a good one.